Introduction to React Testing Library. React Testing Library is a tool for testing React components. It encourages tests that resemble how components interact with users, helps ensure components work properly, and changes don't affect user experience. Getting started with React Testing Library. Installation, npm install save dev testing React. Rendering a component. Use the render method from the library. Example code for rendering a component included common React testing library methods: get by text, access elements by their text content; get by test ID, access elements by their data tested attribute when there's no reasonable way to access an element by its content. Example codes for both methods included tips and tricks. Use data tested sparingly to avoid brittle and hard to maintain tests. Use testing-library/user event module to test user events like clicks or input changes, common error-prone cases, and how to avoid them. Avoid testing implementation details to prevent brittle tests. Use wait-for function to deal with elements that haven't appeared in the DOM yet during tests. Example code for using wait-for function included